Muy buenos días, me llamo Hugo and welcome to Spanish Plus Ultra. Today's topic is the alphabet, alfabeto, or if you prefer, you can also call it abecedario. Now what you see in front of you is the Roman alphabet, also known as the Latin alphabet. I assume that if you're watching this video, you must be an English speaker. Therefore, I expect you to be very familiarized with this alphabet. But you are probably noticing something odd, something strange in this picture. You see that? That, my friends, that is the letter ñ, also known as la letra ñ. And that will be the only new character, the only new letter that you will have to learn. But that does not mean it'll be the only new sound that you will have to learn. So keep that in mind. As I mentioned before, you probably know this alphabet very well already. Well, let's review it one last time before we learn the Spanish equivalent. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And now we learn the Spanish version. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now from each letter I will say a word, so try repeating after me. A, árbol, a tree. B, ballena, a whale. C, cocina, kitchen. D, dedo, a finger. E, elefante, elephant. F, foca, seal, like the animal. G, gaviota, seagull. H, herrero, blacksmith. I, iglesia, a church. J, jamón, ham. K, Karen, a person's name. L, ladrón, a thief. M, mono, monkey. N, nombre, name. Ñ, niño, a boy. O, O, oso, oso, bear. P, P, Pascua, Easter. Q, Q, queso, queso, cheese. R, R, rosa, rosa, rose. And there is also another sound for this letter, which is ere, ere, and you can use it in words like oro, oro, which means gold. R, ere. S, S, sapo, sapo, toad. T, T, tomate, tomate, tomato. U, U, uva, uva, grape. B, B, vaca, vaca, a cow. W, W, Wikipedia, Wikipedia. X, X, saxofón, saxofón, saxophone. J, J, jojo, jojo, jojo. Z, Z, zapato, zapato, shoe. And there are also 3 letters that we don't have them in the alphabet anymore, but we still use them when we write or even when we speak. And these are the letter Che, LG, and R. Some examples are, for Che, it would be choza, which means hot. For LG, llorar, which means to cry. And for the double R, it will be carro, car, or perro, dog. And it's important to me to mention that there are certain things that I still haven't mentioned about these letters, certain rules and certain behaviors that they take in certain situations, but we will explore those rules in future videos when we study individually those letters. And this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like, consider subscribing for more and new content, and on the next video we will be exploring the vowels, las vocales. Adiós.